In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make some extra cash online without spending a dime, which is completely free to join, and you can work as much as you want. You can earn as much as $1,125 per month on this free website just for typing names, words from the comfort of your home. Their payment methods are PayPal, Payoneer, direct deposit, wire transfers, Krill. So whichever means of withdrawal that you have in your country or wherever you are, you can go ahead and choose it. And this is available to every country. There are no restrictions to any country. So wherever it is that you are, America, Nigeria, Australia, Spain, wherever you are, you can use this website for free and make money. Of course, you will get the job on this website. Now, looking at this website, you will find out that there are many job opportunities that you can leverage on, ranging from proofreading job, blogging, translation job, survey job, content writing, affiliate marketing, teaching job, and typing job. All these are jobs you'll find on this website which you can apply and make money from them. And you can do this on your phone or laptop. So in this video, I'll be walking you through on how you can earn $1,000 per month just for typing words. And if you don't know how to type or you want to improve your typing speed, I'll also be showing you a website where you can learn how to type for free and also get certificates for typing. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video to avoid missing out on the sign up process, which is quite difficult and most people get it wrong. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Chidi. I'm a Make Money Online researcher and I'm very passionate about helping you make money on the online space. So do well to like this video, subscribe, and also turn your notification bell on to always get updated whenever I drop beautiful content that can possibly make you money on the online space in a legitimate way. Now, this website is a legit website where people post decent job for you to apply and they in turn pay you for the job you have done. You can work on this platform as a beginner where you can earn $3 per 300 words you type in a page. You can also work as an intermediate where you earn $3.60 per 300 words. As a professional, you earn $4.50 per 300 words you type. And as an expert, you earn $6 where you type 300 words in a page. Now, as a beginner, if you're able to type 300 words in a page and earn $3, and you're able to type up to 15 pages a day, you will be earning $45 on a daily basis. And if you're able to work for 25 days, you'll be earning $1,125 on a monthly basis, which is a lot of money. Now, these are the requirements for you to work on this platform. You must have basic knowledge of internet and English. You must be able to type 30 to 50 words per minute. You must have a high-speed internet connection. You must be 16 years and above to be eligible to work with them. Now, to apply on this platform, simply head over to your browser and search talentsdesire.com, and it will bring you to this interface you have on your screen now. Simply scroll down to where you have different jobs available and locate the online typing job. Click on the More button and it will bring you to this interface. Scroll to the bottom of the page again and click on the Apply Now button. Click the Select Application Form. When you click on it, it will ask you the type of application form you want, whether you want to go for the online application form or the offline application form. So what you want to do is to click on the online application form, since we're talking about making money online. When you click on it, locate this place where it says fill in your details to apply and work with us. You simply click on it and a form will be provided for you to fill in your details. So here is the form. You accept the privacy policy first, and then you go ahead to input your first name, your last name, email address, your contact, your resident country. You click on the drop down to choose your country, your zip code, and then you input your personal information. Okay, so you input your preferred job title. You choose what time is best for you. You click on the drop down here to choose your time that suits you, whether it's 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 5 p.m., 9 p.m., all day. For me, I'll choose all day because I want to make a lot of money from this website. Okay, so then you go ahead to input your best way to receive earnings, whether PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposits, Krill. So whichever one it is that your country accepts, you can go ahead and choose it. And then you input your current profession status. Okay, whether you're a housewife, student, retired person, full-time employee, part-time employee, freelancer, self-employed, unemployed, others. So whichever one it is that you are, you go ahead and select and then click on OK. So now you click on the box where it says yes, I have read and accept the above statement, you make sure you take it and go ahead and tick on the box to prove that you're not a robot, and then you submit your application. So after submitting the form, you wait for the confirmation message to find out if your application was successful. The next website I want to show you is a website where you learn how to type or improve your typing skill, and the name of the website is called Greater Type. It is absolutely free to use and you can get your certificate when you're done learning. So if you can leverage on this and improve your typing skill on this platform, making money on talentsdesire.com will be easy for you. So guys, I hope you got value from this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more beautiful content like this. So until my next video, it is